Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn parts of a circle. So let us begin quickly. The first one is center of a circle. So a center of a circle is a fixed point exactly in the middle of the circle and equidistant from every point on the circle's boundary. Every point it is equidistant, so this is center. Next, a radius. A radius is a straight line which is drawn from center of the circle to the circle's boundary, okay, or a circumference. So from center of a circle to the circle's boundary, that is a radius. Next, a diameter. It is the longest line which is drawn through the center of the circle. So center of the circle, the longest line, and it touches the boundary of the circle. So that is the diameter. Okay. Next is the circumference. So circumference is the total distance around the circle. Distance around a circle. This is circumference of a circle. If you open it out, you'll find a straight line. That straight line, that length is the circumference. If you open the circle, you will get a straight length, and that is the circumference. So circumference actually is the length of a circle, but in a curved way. Next, a chord. So chord is the straight line that connects two points on the circumference of the circle. Is a straight line which connects two points on the circumference of circle. Now this diameter also is a chord, and it is the longest chord. Which this diameter passes through the center, because this chord, this also is a chord, diameter also is a chord, but since it passes through the center, it is the longest chord. So this is a chord. Next is arc of a circle. Now it is a distance along the curved path of the circle. So any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. So this distance from here till here, the distance between 2 points on the circumference of a circle, is called as the arc of a circle. Next, segment. Segment is the region between the chord and the curved shape around that chord. So this is called a segment. A circle is made up of two. If you draw a chord here, so this circle is divided into two segments now. So this is minor segment and this is a major segment. Tangent. So tangent is a straight line which touches the circle exactly at one particular point, exactly at fixed point. Okay, a tangent passes or touches the circle at exactly one point outside the circle. Next is a secant. So secant is a straight line which passes through the circumference of a circle and it can extend outside. This is secant. Okay, a chord does not extend outside. So chord is between the 2 points on the circumference of a circle inside. A chord is a segment. We can call it a segment. Whereas secant we can call it as a line because it extends outside. Okay, secant. Next is a sector. So sector is a part of a circle which is made by using two radii of the same circle. So these two radii, so this region is called the sector. So this is called the minor sector, and this white part is called the major sector. This pink is a minor sector. So how is sector formed? By using two radii, and these two radii are of the same circle. So this is sector. The same figure I have drawn on a big circle now. The same parts, okay, almost similar. So this is the diameter, this is center, this is sector, okay, between two radii. This is radius, this is secant, a line which passes through circle. This circumference, the whole distance of a circle. Arc is between any 2 points on the circumference. So this distance is called as the arc. So any 2 points, okay. Tangent is a line which passes outside the circle at one fixed particular point. A segment is formed by using a chord. So a chord will divide a segment in a circle into two parts. Okay, so that this is called one part is called the one minor segment, and other part is the part is called the major segment. Or if it, so diameter also we can call, it's because of this diameter circle can be divided into two parts. So this part is also a segment, and this part also is a segment because of diameter. Okay, because diameter also is a chord. Hope you understood all the terms which I explained just now. If you have not subscribed the video, please subscribe the video. Thank you.